got a date with Dash. Let's see what we're going to do on the computer today at pbskids.org.
Take it away, Dash. Hey there, Emily, Elizabeth, and Jetta.
That looks like it hurts.
How do you get all the way over there? Let's decorate the float with the lighthouse. Point to the lighthouse.
Xavion.
This is the lighthouse.
Xavion.
Point to the crab.
Where's the baby?
That's the crab. Point to where we should put it. Over here. Great. Haha, this is kind of funny. What if we put this winter sled on the sand? Whee! I bet Emily, Elizabeth, and Jetta are going to love our float.
Xavion.
Send it to a friend, or just watch the parade. Drum roll, please. Visit
Hey, baby.
on your computer and play lots more games with your friends from Clifford. Thanks for playing. Got a dash.
Xavion. Hey, mister. Xavion.
Connections.
Hey, sweetie.
Proud sponsor of Dragon Tales.
This program was funded in
I want your knee, Mommy.
No Child Left Behind grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service. And
I
by
walk along everything now.
participation from viewers like you. Thank you.
I walk along everything now. I'm getting stronger. Uh-oh. And I got the curly hair.